Good morning, everyone. Now, as we know that we are doing the word problems or the statement questions of the quadratic equation, and we have done from the first exercise. Let's do some questions from the second exercise. Now, that is question number third of exercise 4.2, and it is like find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Sum is 27 and product is product is 180. So we have to find both the numbers. Now what is the question given? The sum is 27. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 82. So how let's we do this? Now let the first number be x. The first number will be x. If the sum is 27, the first number is x. So the second number will be 27 minus x. Now add them, sum them, you will get 27. Now according to question, the product is 182. The product of both these numbers is 182. So the first number is x, second number is 27 minus x, and product is 182. The product is 182. So what is given? Sum is 27, product is 182. We have to find both the numbers. Now product. Now let's do the multiplication. X multiplied 27, that is 27x minus x square is equal to 182. Let's write in the general form. So minus x square plus 27x minus 182 is equal to 0. 182 when comes to the left hand side, sign will change. Now as we know that x square is in the negative, so let's multiply the equation or take the negative common out in order to make the x square positive. So we can write it as x square minus 27x plus 182, that is equal to 0. Now what we have to find? We have to find the two numbers. For this we have to solve this, and how we will solve this? First of all, we will find the factors. Now x square minus 27x plus 182. How we will solve this? We can solve it by any of the methods, splitting the middle term, or by the quadratic formula, or by completing the square method. But the questions can easily be solved by the splitting the middle term. So here the middle term is minus 27x, and we have to split in such a way in order to get the product of x square and 182, that is 182x square. So how we will do is, with x square minus 27 may be split as minus 14x and minus 13x plus 182, that is equal to 0. So what's common here? X is common, x minus 14 minus 13 is common, x minus 14 is equal to 0. So here it is x minus 14 and x minus 13, that is equal to 0. So one by one put everyone is put both the terms 0. When this will be equal to 0, we get x is equal to 14, and when this equal to 0, we get x is equal to 13. So the first number will be, you can take any of the values. The first number will be, for example, 14. So second number will be 27 minus 14, that is 13. So what are the two numbers? 14 and the 13 are the two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. So let's see this question once again. How we have done this? Have a look. Now let's move to the next question, that is sum fifth. Sum fifth, that is, the question is the altitude of a triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base and hypotenuse is given 13 centimeter. We have to find the altitude and the base as well. So what is given? Altitude is 7 centimeter less than base and hypotenuse is given 13 centimeters. So we have to find the altitude as well as the base. Now altitude is 7 centimeter less than the base. So let the base be x. So let the base be x centimeter. So altitude will be x minus 7 centimeter, because it is given that altitude is 7 centimeter less than the base. Now, according to question, as we know that we are talking about the right angle triangle, and right angle triangle, the Pythagoras theorem is there. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? That is perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Perpendicular square, you can say the altitude square plus base square. So altitude is x minus 7 whole square plus x square is equal to 13 square. So now this is a minus b whole square. Let's open it. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So 2 multiply, that is minus 14x plus x square is equal to 169. 13 square is 169. So x square plus x square, 2x square minus 14x plus 49. This will come to the left hand side in order to make it a standard form. So 2x square minus 14x, and here it is minus 120 is equal to 0. So as we can see that 2 is common in all the three terms, so it will be written as x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. X square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now again we have to split this. So how we will splitting this? X square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. X is there, x minus 12, then plus 5 is common, x minus 12 is equal to 0. So here x minus 12 and x plus 5 is equal to 0 are the factors of the given equation. When we put this is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 12. When we put this is equal to 0, x plus 5 is equal to 0, we can get the value of x is equal to minus 5. This is not possible as side cannot be negative. So x will be 12. So what is x? We have assumed base. So base will be 12 centimeter, and what is altitude? Altitude is x minus 7, that is base minus 7. 12 minus 7, that is 5 centimeter. So what is given in the question? That altitude is 7 centimeter less than the base and hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. So we have assumed the base will be x, so altitude is automatically as 7 centimeter less, so x minus 7. As we are talking about the right angle triangle, so we have taken the Pythagoras theorem and we have just put it the value into the calculations, and in the end base comes out to be 12 and altitude is 5 centimeter. So these are some questions from the second exercise. Practice the questions, do the solved example as well. In the next video we will discuss more questions. Thank you. Have a good day.